Alright, so here's a little video on how to install a switch on the fly cable for your 23 and up Power Stroke. This also applies to any Power Stroke that is done via the CAC switch. I'm just showing you how to do it specifically on this one, on where to mount it and how to mount it, because obviously the body does change. So 2023 and up, it's always recommended to go switch on the fly with the CAC switch, charge air cooler. So what you want to do is remove this upper trim piece here. Literally just pops off. You might feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. This piece sometimes will stay in here or will come with it. It's fine. And then you're gonna take off this Torx that goes right here, and then these two bolts. But before that, you take off this panel right here. So trim piece, this panel, take it off. And then you're gonna take off the Torx bit or bolt that goes right there, and then the two 7mm that go right here. With our kit specifically, it is a 3/8 hole. Drill it right here next to the pedal adjuster, and then put your washer and your nut on. Once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and route your cables through the firewall. You can route it right through that grommet wire loom, and then also you're gonna get the knob and the actual adapter to plug into the CAC switch from the factory. So you unplug it here, goes plugged in here from the factory. Press this clip down, unplug it, and you plug this in to this connector, and I'll show you here in a second how to do it. And you just route your wires through the firewall. So this is a tool to feed wire through grommets or firewalls, meant for grommets. So you poke this through, and then you can feed your wire through it. So once you get your wire fed through it, you need to get this out obviously, so you push it further in. So you can see I pushed it in further until you feed it through the other side, and at this point you can get it on the other side, and you can get your wires, and you can get your, you can see right there, your tool. I can pull this. As you can see right there, I'm gonna pull it through. There it is. And then now I have fed my wires through, and you can just pull them through. And then now you can feed the wire through the firewall normally until it reaches its maximum pull length, I guess. And then you can zip tie it out of the way. There it is. All right, so the connector is now on. The cables on these specifically do not have polarities. On CAC, there's no polarity, so you can put them however you want. And then you can plug this in right here. Make sure it clicks. And then make sure when you put these in, make sure these also click. So if they're not clicking in place, the actual wires, that means you have them backwards or upside down. So just make sure you clock them in the right position. Do a little pull test on them, make sure they stay there. So now you can wire loom all this stuff, zip tie it out of the way, and you're good to go. Right here. So make sure it's stationary, nothing moves. Under here, we got it wire loom through the firewall. Bay, we got it ran here on the side, and then comes up here next to the reservoir. We zip tied it here, here. I use this factory clip, and then I also zip tied it up here, and it's connected there. And that is the best way to route these. That way you're not routing it through the top, interfering with other stuff. The only real thing you're interfering with is the factory coolant, or I'm sorry, the factory vacuum line. And if you just need to get it off, you can just take those zip ties off and move it to the side. But yeah, let me know if you guys need any more instructional videos on these trucks.